everyone, it is Saturday, August 21st, 2021, and it's the night before Hurricane Henri is supposed to hit New England, and we have just checked into an unexpected hotel that we were not planning on staying at. We were originally going to stay at our first hotel for a full 7 nights, but we stayed there for 4 nights, and now we are staying here at Hampton Inn, Boston, Logan, Chelsea. So we're pretty close to the Boston airport. We're a little bit north of it, I think. And this appears to be a brand new property. It's very nice. And there's a parking lot right outside, and they gave us a little tag to put on our dashboard to show that we're guests here. And there's flags outside when you drive in saying now open. So I think it's brand new. It looks very new. And we don't have a suite or anything. The reason we switched to this hotel is because the hurricane is coming, and at the very least we're going to have very bad weather and we will not be able to do anything outside.
It's actually called the Hampton Inn Boston Logan Airport, Chelsea. It's the Hampton Inn for the Boston Logan Airport, but in the city of Chelsea.
Okay, thank you, Meg. Because at the very least we're going to have really bad weather and probably rain, we're not going to be able to do anything outside. So we decided to come up to Boston and stay here so we can go to like museums and stuff. Our plan is to go to the Science Museum, and we have planetarium tickets tomorrow, and then on Monday to go to the New England Aquarium, which Megan and I have been to before, but probably don't remember very well. So, and then Tuesday we fly home. And I was hoping to be able to take public transportation from here, but we're not near a subway line. So she gave us a couple of options at the front desk. She said we can either take, it's a 10-minute walk to the bus stop, and then we can take a bus and then figure out from downtown Boston, or we can take the hotel shuttle to the airport, and there's a subway station on the blue line at the airport, and we know that because we saw it when we were on the shuttle bus that took us to the car rental center. I'm gonna have to weigh those options and figure out the best way to get there, because I really don't want to drive in the city and I really don't want to park in the city. But right now I'm going to show you around the room. The lobby area and everything is nice, and I will take you down there and show you that in a little bit as well. Alright, so when you come in, you're kind of in this little hallway area, and I noticed one thing right away. They have gone back to using regular Morgan approved doors on both the closet and the bathroom. No more of those silly sliding doors that have to share with both things. And here's the bathroom. Now the bathroom is pretty standard for a Hampton bathroom. It is, you know, updated and nice and new. I like the lighted mirror there. They have the Neutrogena products. And we have towels. There's an extra towel there. The hair dryer is here on this pull-out thing. And then one new change and improvement, I think, is they have replaced the tub shower combo with a walk-in shower. So that's very nice. And like I said, we have a Morgan approved door that shuts all the way, so that's really nice. And then there are 3 hooks behind the door. Then back out here, past all our luggage, got a great big, huge, wide, full-length mirror. And then across from that is the closet. There is no luggage rack. Ben was pointing out that there's no luggage rack. There is an iron and an ironing board and hangers. And like, we don't have a sofa or anything, so there's a garbage there. There's this little area which we're probably going to end up moving this stuff and putting at least one suitcase there. Ice bucket, coffee maker, 1 drawer, and then a little shelf underneath. And then there's 3 hooks here to hang like jackets on, which might be handy if we end up having to wear our rain jackets. And then there's a big TV, and this is new. I haven't seen anything like this before. And there's a microwave, and then behind this door is the fridge, and then there's a magnet in that door. There's a shelf down there, and then there's 3 really nice, smooth, good-sized drawers here. And then there's a desk, and Ben is sitting in the desk chair, and 2 queen beds. And I think it's cool how they stacked the pillows on both beds, and then just that real simple nightstand table that they've been using now in between. And I like the feature wall. It's like kind of a wood paneled wall, and I like these headboards. And then there is that's Megan's phone plugged in there. 2 lamps with separate switches. And then 2 USBs and 2 regular plugs, and a phone and an alarm clock, which I really appreciate, although it doesn't seem to be, oh yeah, it is plugged in, it's just dimmed. And then let's check out our view. Got some, oh, this is actually, that's cool. We were just saying yesterday that Hampton always uses artwork in their rooms. These are actually maps of Boston. Hampton always uses artwork in their rooms that's specific to the region, whereas that Spring Hill Suites we were saying in the last 4 nights, it was just like the most generic art ever. Okay, we're looking at some kind of distribution center, night shift headquarters. I don't know. We're on the opposite side of the building from the Hamptons parking lot. So it's trucks in a parking lot. Not the prettiest. And I'm going to insert some footage here of the lobby and the public areas downstairs. So that is our tour of our room here at the Hampton Inn, Boston Logan Airport, Chelsea. This is a 2 queen bed room. They do not have any suites at this hotel. It's just 2 queen beds or 1 king bed. And we are here for 3 nights. If you liked this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up down below. And if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please be sure to subscribe. It really helps the channel out and it does not cost you anything. You'll just get notified of each new video that I put out. Thanks very much for watching today, everyone, and safe travels.